Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's been so long. I'm the worst at filming, literally ever. I don't even know if you're subscribed still, like, how? Life has just been crazy, you know? I have like no free time, but here I am, finally filming a video. It's like halfway through second semester of my freshman year already, and I haven't done like any college related videos at all. So finally, I thought I would do my dorm room tour. It's nothing super special, not super decorated or anything, but I thought it'd just be fun. I go to Iowa State and I live in Joffrey, which is like a newer dorm. So if you're gonna live here, this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is just gonna be kind of like super casual vlog style little tour. Obviously it's a small room, so there's not a ton to show you, but I hope you guys like it. But yeah, if you guys want to see my college dorm room tour, then go ahead and keep watching. Guys, this camera's heavy. Whew. Okay, so first off, I just want to apologize for one, the atrocious lighting throughout this video. The lighting here is very yellow, so just, I'm sorry. Second of all, the air conditioning, heat, whatever that is up there, right there. Yep, yeah. It just makes a really constant loud noise, so I'm sorry, that's really annoying. I don't know what to do about it. Okay, moving on. So this is my door. Ooh. Let's go in. Okay, so once we're inside the door, here is the door, and there's just two hooks right here for our towels. Also, if this happens to anyone else, let me know, but like all my towels get bleached, and I think it's from my face wash. I don't know, okay? So yeah, there's just a door with two bars on it for our towels, and then we will go to the right, and here we just have like one of those simple like $5 hanging floor length mirrors. Right to the right of that mirror is my dresser right here. There's a long drawer down at the bottom, and then there's drawers right here, and then there's a bar up here and a bar right there to hang stuff. So as you can kind of see, there's just like bar there, and then I took out the bar down here and just folded up all of my like sweatshirts. It's kind of a mess, so we're not gonna look at that. Okay, let me show you my new obsession. So I started file folding my clothes. So these are all my t-shirts, and if you don't know what file folding is, look it up. It's the most satisfying thing ever. So obviously I organize them in like color order, but also it's just so nice because you can actually see like what is what. Like I can see all my t-shirts, and it's actually space saving as well, so I'm really in love with this. I highly recommend. And then down here I did it with my jeans as well, and this is so handy, guys. Like you can tell which jean it is just by looking at the pockets, and you can see all of them, and it just looks so nice. I'm so excited. I'm so obsessed with this. So that's where I keep all my clothes, so that's like right by the door. Over on the side of my dresser, I just hung up like some little command hooks where I just hang stuff like my keys, my coat, I have a robe, a purse, and then this bag down here is usually up there as well. So right next to my dresser, I have my Alex 9 drawers. So in here is where I keep all my makeup. I actually ended up taking a lot of my makeup home because I like to do most of my looks at home because I have like a black wall, good background for my Instagram, and all that stuff. By the way, if you don't follow me, it's Beauty by Anna Grace. Go check it out. But yeah, I still have these here. There's still a good amount of makeup in there, so yeah. And then on top of my Alex drawers, first of all, I just have like this little plate of joy with some rings and bracelets. These are fake Cartier bracelets, not real, I'm not rich, okay? And then I have this little clear acrylic little thing with some sunglasses in it. I'm like a sunglasses junkie. None of the ones I actually wear are in here, but I just like it as a little display. On top of that, we have two little mason jars, and this has bobby pins, and in here are just like some little hair clips. I use these a lot when I do people's hair for things, but I usually don't use them for myself. And then the last thing on here is this perfume, which is literally the best thing I've ever smelled in my life. You should go get it. It's from Target. Okay, so moving on, next we have my desk. So it's just like this wooden desk that's kind of ugly. And I actually got this piece of wood to put on top so that I could just make it more decorative. So in this little gap, I just have some fake plants, just some like greenery and like fake eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby, and then we just have some battery operated lights in there, just to have a little something cute. Here I have the best candle in the world, like, I talk about this all the time, but Snuggly Sweater from Target, best candle, highly recommend. I turn it around because I don't like the label. Next to my candle, I just have some little art that I made. And then the middle is just kind of empty. And then over here, we have this little, I don't know, planetarium thing with just some more of the same little leaves in it. And then the basic little letterboard. Change it up every now and then. So we have a psalm on here right now. I love this. It's so good. And then I just have my Polaroid camera. And that is all for the more decorative part. On my actual desk, okay, these lights are so cool. So there's this little button right here. So you can tap it, they go off, tap it, they go on, and they dim. So cool. As you can see, they're just like these little bulbs. You stick them on with command strips or tape. I got them off Amazon. They are so awesome, such a lifesaver. Then over in this corner, I just have, I have a little gold mirror from Target. And then over here, I have some books and some journals. And then these two little white acrylic containers are literally just full of like pens and like literally, I don't know if you can tell, but I draw. And yeah, then there's just like a long little drawer and 3 drawers. Down in the bottom drawer is just like my everyday like my lotion and hairspray and all that kind of stuff. And then I just have school stuff in those two and just some more random stuff in there that we don't need to look at. But these chairs that come with the desk are literally the weirdest thing ever. They're like these weird like rocking chairs that make no sense, and I literally like always almost fall over, so I literally hate them so much, but that's okay. So yeah, here's the whole like desk setup. Then moving over to the beds. So my bed is lofted and my roommate's bed is like under mine, which is kind of a cool setup. You don't see it very often. So this is my bed. Over here I just have like these fairy lights and I hung up my Polaroids on them. I think this comforter is so cute. This is from TJ Maxx and it's just white and has like these little fringes on them. I just have a bunch of pillows. Love pillows. So yeah, this is like my little area. So basically everything on this side is all my stuff. So that's pretty much everything. I'll go around the rest of the room like a little quicker since it's my roommate stuff, so don't want to like, you know, but I will show you everything just so you can get a gist of the room. So here under the bed is all the really cute, very fun stuff. So here's our fridge and microwave. And then on top we just have random like tissues, Clorox wipes, Ziploc bags, paper plates, band-aids, plastic silverware. So yeah, super cute right here. Fashion, great. Over here is my roommate's bed. So like I said, it's just under mine. And she has like a little dresser thing right there. Some storage under the bed. And then over here is her dresser. She also has hooks on hers. Or a little chair thing that like folds out into like a little mattress, which is fun. Here's her desk. As you can see, like this is what the desk looks like without a piece of wood on top. So she just decorated the top of that. Alright guys, that is it for my room tour. Wow. I've literally been putting off this video for so long. I mean, I'm just so busy and like sometimes when you're busy, just your room turns into a disaster and then you just don't want to show it to people, especially put it on the internet for like people to watch, you know? But yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up because why not? Also, if you guys like this video, you'll probably like my others. Just a guess. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.